So now that we know that we have a break in the wire, I'm going to introduce you to the underground wire locator. So you don't need to be an electrical engineer to run one of these things. Basically, there's going to be a transmitter and a receiver. So this is the transmitter. So what you want to do is you want to open up your dog watch system and you want to connect the red lead to one of your contacts. Now we're going to take the black lead. You can stick it on a screwdriver and jam it in the ground, but I happen to have this metal rod right here, so I'm just going to connect it. Basically, what you're trying to do is ground it. So I'm just going to get this thing connected. That's pretty good. So now we just turn it on for cable scan. And what that's doing is it's now sending a signal through the loop that I can hear with this receiver. So now I'm going to turn on the receiver, and when I dangle it over the wire, if I have the volume up, you can hear it. So it gets louder as it gets closer to the wire. So I'll turn it down a little bit. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk along and just follow the wire. So where it's beeping, the wire is essentially under the ground. And what I'm looking for is where do I lose the signal? All right, so I don't have a signal anymore. So I have a signal here, but here's where I lose it. So there's a signal. So it looks like right here is where I lose the signal. So that's where I'm going to dig. All right, so we're going to very carefully dig right here. I'm going to move this junk out of the way, and now I'm going to very carefully, this is a root, I'm very carefully dig up this area. So, oh, there it is. There's a wire. Alright, so there's my lead. It's still twisted here. Alright, so I don't want to damage that. Okay, so I think I found the broken lead. There's a cap missing from this one. It looks like this might be the broken lead. As you can see, the wire locator allowed me to find the break very easily, but I want to go through this in a little bit more detail so you understand exactly how this works. This is the transmitter. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to connect the red lead to one of the leads inside that little box where your loop is. Then you're going to connect the black lead to a ground source. If you don't have a metal rod in the ground like I did, you can just wrap this or attach this to a screwdriver and stick it in the ground. Now, once you put it on cable scan, now what this is going to be doing is it's actually going to be sending a signal through your loop or your underground wire. So you're going to leave that alone. So now your loop is kind of emitting like a radio signal. Now this is where our receiver comes in. So this is your receiver, And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn it on, and you're going to want to play with the volume. And you can see that right now the transmitter is close enough that we're picking it up. But what you're going to do is you're going to walk and wave this over the ground, and it'll tell you wherever that wire is that's emitting the sound, because this is a receiver. So this is what I just used, and I traced the wire until the signal stopped, and then that's where I dug a hole. That's how you use the wire locator. I'll put a link in the description to the unit I'm using. Super helpful in finding the break in an underground invisible fence. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.